Alright, so we finally got it. It's a pretty hard thing to get to because all the wires are so tight in here. But you can see down in here. It's hard to see it, but it's way down here, and it's got so many ties on it. It's hard to get it up high enough to get it. But I think maybe if I undid this plastic and undid this tie here and undid this tape here, I might have given myself a little bit of slack. No, I don't think so. Well, I'm not sure. Yeah, that does tie into that bundle. It ties into that bundle. It all ties into that bundle right there. I can't see my finger back there, but it all ties in there. All right, I'm gonna release that bundle of wires. So, okay, we've got this guy right here. That gives us some slack right there. Good. Yeah, that helped a lot right there. There's another one right there. There we go. This wiring harness is pretty intricate. I'm going to keep really good close tabs on how everything is connected. Alright, so there's the tank out of the way. We have the 2 bolts for the tank. Keep those together. That goes in here as part of that. Alright. So next, the brake booster. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff in here. Man, look at all these wires. This is where your main harness comes in, right there. I can go ahead and start disconnecting a few things here and there, like this guy. I'm not sure what that is. There we go, it just pops right off. Kind of like a spark plug igniter type of thing, maybe. This, I believe, is a heavy-duty ground wire. We're gonna leave that there for now. We've got this wire here, connects to this. I'll go ahead and take that off. I'll disconnect this right here, right now. I think I can disconnect this right now. I think I can figure out how to how it comes apart there. Everything has its unique way of disconnecting, and you've got to figure it out. It's almost like a puzzle. Push here, there we go. So that's disconnected. I'm not sure what that is, but we've disconnected it. Got a big harness thing here. That's disconnected. Another one here. That just came apart really easily. No, it didn't. Okay, let's do something different. Okay, I can feel. There we go. I can feel that one. There we go, that's disconnected. Now those are 2 very similar plugs. Those are identical actually. So I need to label these. I'm going to plug this one back together. Come on. Ah. Shoot. Okay, now I don't know which is which. Damn it. I'm not sure which is which now. Okay, well, because these things are identical. It looks like they're identical. I don't know which is which now. Maybe it doesn't matter. Maybe it doesn't matter. These go to your pumps for this reservoir here for your power steering. I'm sorry, your power brake, I mean. Yeah, that's your power brake. Okay, so hopefully it doesn't matter. Okay, let me undo this right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take that hose off. That's awfully loose. That's not supposed to be loose like that, I don't think. That doesn't seem right, but that's as loose as it is. But we'll see. All right. That doesn't look like that that's as loose as it is like that, but we'll see. I don't know. Don't want this guy to pop off. I don't know what that is exactly, but it looks like it's okay. It looks like it's going to stay there. All right, let me undo this ground wire here, and that will get a lot of this harness out of the way. I have a feeling today is going to be mostly just getting this harness off. Alright. There we go. That's a big one. There we go. Alright, the rest are grounds. A lot of ground wires. A lot of ground wires. That's good. Alright. Whoop. We got these two down here. Again, 8mm. I'm gonna put the nuts back in after the ground wires are disconnected, just to help keep track of all this stuff, so I don't have as many nuts and bolts all over the place. Got these two up here. Now this vehicle will not run without these connected. It will start making all kinds of weird things. The screen will start going all funny. These are important to keep grounded. And make sure you put these back. It doesn't matter where they go exactly, but you notice there's two wires on this one. That goes closer to the firewall, whereas there's one on this one. Just to keep those in the right place. All right, next is this one here. I believe that's going to be a 12. Oh, that is tight. There we go. See, the bolt goes all the way through this to the other side. I'm going to see if I can use the socket to get a smaller one. Maybe use this guy here. See if this works. Now it works, but the problem is, now I can't get it out because this is in the way. All right, well, you know what? Let's see, that's welded on there. As I said, I could take the bolt, take the nut off the other side. Now I can't reverse the throw. I gotta reverse the throw of the wrench so I can put it back in. But I can't. Ah, crap. Screwdriver. Damn it. Just flip it. There we go. Okay.